Nashville traffic, Skyhawk 4610 Papa is 7 miles to the southeast at 2,500, maneuvering to make the left base for 20 left, Nashville.
That felt so weird, you guys are late.
Yeah.
So like you're not there all night?
Yeah, no kidding.
Hey, I'm out at the main door for the FBO. We've got a plane rented from 2 a.m. to 5. We're wondering how to get into the FBO and stuff. Cool, appreciate it. Bye.
Riding along with SkyhawkDriver here, and it's almost 3 o'clock in the morning, and we are about to do a run-up and leave Smyrna and go to Nashville, but it's pretty unique because Nashville is uncontrolled right now. So it is a normal uncontrolled field, there's a CTAF, and nobody's controlling it.
Smyrna traffic, Skyhawk 4610 Papa, taking off runway 1, will be departing the upwind to the north, Smyrna.
Alright, heels level 4, full power. We're flying.
We should be picking it up by now. Yeah, I'll just check it on my phone.
Yep.
Winds are calm, land on whatever runway you want.
You want to go 20 left? Enter left base for that?
Yeah, sure. You're talking to him.
Okay. And how far out are we? Probably should. Could you
7 miles to the east.
Nashville traffic, Skyhawk 4610 Papa is 7 miles to the southeast at 2,500, maneuvering to make the left base for 20 left, Nashville.
That felt so weird, you guys are late.
Yeah.
So like you're not there all night.
Yeah, no kidding.
Buddy Chris let us know about this little opportunity.
Opportunity.
And so we're using it. Just watch your green arc.
I don't need that. Not carbureted.
My God, I'm so used to like carbureted engine. Oh my God, I'm a moron. I'm just gonna shut up. You're flying the plane.
This feels so weird. Nashville traffic, what? I guess we might as well start descending.
Yeah. I'm glad that we have stuff like ForeFlight on our phone to where you can just pull that up because the ATIS is not coming up. And you can have good information with backup on the ForeFlight, and it's all good.
Yeah.
So what's your plan?
Nashville's right there. We're gonna do 20 left, and then we'll, I guess, keep doing 20 left, and unless you want to go 20 left.
20 left and hang a right and go to center?
Oh, this is weird, dude.
This is so weird. We're not talking to anybody. This is a Class C airport.
What are we doing with our lives?
Nashville traffic, Skyhawk 4610 Papa is left base for 20 left, Nashville.
What the heck? Oh, that's weird.
Nashville traffic, Skyhawk 4610 Papa, final 20 left, Nashville. We'll be a full stop. Any traffic in the pattern, please advise.
We'll probably just do a 2-flap landing. Oh, it said when calm, right?
Yep.
Alright, we'll go 3. Alright, gear down 3 green, flaps full, auto brake 2. This is so weird, man. Yeah, we got a headwind. Yeah, we get some phone action too.
Where's your phone at?
Or on your phone.
Oh, okay, I just sent it to you.
Oh, those trees is a little bump. Wow. This is crazy. Got so much runway to play with too.
Right? SkyhawkDriver has never made it in and went on short final for an international runway that's uncontrolled. That's crazy.
It is. Not bad, but off center.
Okay.
There we go. Alright, reversers stowed. Dude, that was so weird.
Yeah, that's a little funky.
How did you think of that landing was? It was a little hard, but...
Yeah, I don't know, you're just a little high, that's all.
Yeah, I gotta get you. It's weird having such a big runway, you know?
Right.
Someone saying something?
Hotel 3.
God, this is so weird. Ladies and gentlemen from the flight deck, this is your captain speaking. We'd like to welcome you to Music City. Where outside air temperature is, I don't know, but
And
humid.
local time is 3:05 in the morning.
Nice. Clear. Nashville traffic.
Skyhawk 461 Sierra Papa, clear of 20 left, taxiing back. Nashville.
Homestead Smyrna. We'll line up here, landing light off.
Feels weird to say, huh? Super weird.
Is that Chris or what?
Yeah.